How to fix Le Mans Ultimate keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to head to your library, and then you want to right click on the game, go to Properties, and then go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files button, and wait for this process to finish verifying and repairing your files. Now once that is done, you want to click on the Browse button, find the game exe file and right click on it, go to Properties, and then Compatibility tab and check both of these options right here. Click on Apply and OK. Now you can close this and go to the General tab, and under Launch Options you want to type -DX11 like you see it here. Then you can close this window and you should next open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA you will need NVIDIA app, and then go to drivers and check for the latest drivers, and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver in this case. Once that is done, you will most likely be prompted to restart your computer. And once you do so, you should open up Steam and simply launch the game again. And that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.